In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your iCloud account on your iPhone without losing any of the data. So to do this, you first need to head over to the Settings app on your phone and then click on your profile name in the top of the navigation. Then from here, select iCloud, and then where it says Save to iCloud, select See All. Now what you need to do is go through this list and turn on any of the applications that you want saved and backed up. So for example, if you want to keep all of your photos when you change your iCloud account, make sure to select iCloud Photos and make sure you have Sync This iPhone turned on, like so. Then if we come back to the previous menu, you can do the same for your messages as well. Basically, just go through this list and turn on anything that we want to keep. Then head back over to the previous menu, come back once again, and then scroll all the way down to the bottom of this page and press Sign Out. Now, you'll need to enter the password for your Apple account and select Turn Off. And then in this section, you can choose what you want to keep a copy of. So I'm just going to make sure all of these options are turned on, like so. And once you've done that, you can head over to the top right hand side and select Sign Out. Then confirm by pressing the Sign Out button. And now what you can do is click on Apple account at the top of the screen. And now you can sign in with your new iCloud account, or you can create one from this screen here. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below and I'll see you in the next one.